Welcome to the Weekly Update. I want to congratulate and thank the students and staff from Williamsville East, North, and South High School for their incredible performance Wednesday night during the Wind Ensemble Festival and world premiere of The Painted Bird with guest conductor Johan de Meij. It was a perfect way to celebrate music in our schools month, and we are so proud you represented our district on the world stage. Here's a quick look back at the Wind Ensemble Festival and world premiere of The Painted Bird.
I think this was an incredible experience for all of them, to work with a living composer and on a very difficult piece. I'm overwhelmed how good they are. I mean, they're high school students, but they play like professionals. It's incredible.
Music makes your life because it marks those important moments. Like tonight, a world premiere on a piece that has never been seen before with a world-renowned conductor. It's magical.
I am so proud of not only the South students, but East and North, all of our students. They're special students. They work so hard. There are no students like these students, and I love them all.
Congratulations once again to all the students and staff members who were part of the historic night at the Wind Ensemble Festival. If you'd like to watch the concert again, it's available on the district's YouTube channel.
Introducing the first ever Williamsville Spirit Week.
Sticking with the high schools, Willpower Spirit Week begins on Monday. Student leaders from the Superintendent's Inter-High Advisory Council are excited to get students involved, engaged, and unified from all three high schools. So, April 4th is Tropical Day. April 5th is Mix and Match Day. April 6th is Monochromatic or Carry Your Books and Anything But a Backpack Day. April 7th is Pajama Day. And Spirit Week wraps up on April 8th with School Spirit Day. We can't wait to see all the crazy outfits and school spirit our high school students have. I know everyone is looking forward to the upcoming spring recess. Before we get there, I want to share that we're having another COVID-19 at-home test kit distribution. The survey opened yesterday on Thursday and will close Monday, April 4th. Tests will be sent home with students on Thursday, April 7th. Each student will be sent home with 2 test kits. Each kit has 2 tests, so students will receive 4 COVID-19 at-home tests. If your child tests positive for COVID-19 with an at-home test, please keep them home, report the result to the Erie County Department of Health, notify your child's building of attendance, and follow all of the appropriate return to school criteria prior to sending them back to school. As a reminder, negative results on a COVID-19 at-home test are now acceptable for return to school protocol. Parents and guardians can email their child's building of attendance indicating their child received a negative result through the COVID-19 at-home test kit. If you have any questions, please contact your building nurse. While today is April 1st and technically yesterday ended Women's History Month, I want to highlight and celebrate the life and enduring legacy of Madeleine Albright. Madeleine served as the 64th Secretary of State, becoming the first woman to serve in that role in 1997, the highest ranking for any woman in government at that time. Prior to being Secretary of State, Madeleine was the U.S. Ambassador to the United Nations for 4 years. In 2012, President Barack Obama awarded Madeleine with the Presidential Medal of Freedom, the highest civilian award in the United States. She passed away at the age of 84 in late March. One final reminder as we wrap up that nominations for the Williamsville Education Foundation Wall of Fame are due by April 15th. Hopefully the weather takes a turn for the better as we near the spring recess. Enjoy the weekend and we'll see you next week.